How much can you earn trading Forex? When we first start trading, we are all curious how much we can earn. Maybe even done some research and found different answers. Some say that you can easily make 10,000 USD every month with a very small deposit, and others state that the amount is much less than that. So you might be still confused. So how much? What's the exact number? That's why you're here probably and looking for some answers. My answer to this question is it depends. Your earning potential depends on the 4 factors, and in this video I'm going to list these 4 factors that will determine your potential profit. First factor is experience. How long have you been trading? 1 year, 2 years, a week? This is a very important factor. Are you going to become a best-selling author after being writing for a week? If you've been doing something for a week, you're not going to turn into a pro within such a short amount of time, period. It will take you time to develop and master new skills, and trading is no exception. It's said that you will need 10,000 hours to become an expert. Whether you believe this or not, it will take effort, commitment, perseverance and constant learning to become a successful trader. I've been consistently trading for more than 3 years now, which equates around 5,000 hours. I had my ups and downs, especially downs when I first started trading, but I persevered and made it to the other side. I know you want to hear that you will be making thousands of dollars every week after investing just $100. But that will be me lying to you. I'm here to tell you the truth. On your first year, you probably will not make any money, and you even gonna be on a negative balance. But if you persist and keep developing as a trader, money will follow. Generally, you can expect 50% return per year. So let's say if you invest 10,000, you can expect 5,000 in return. That's based on risking 1% per trade. Of course, this is an estimate and it varies from trader to trader. Sometimes it can be more and sometimes it can be less. If someone is telling you that they can teach you how to make $5,000 in a week with a $100 investment, they are full of shit. Second factor is knowledge. Next question you must ask yourself is, how much do you know about trading? Have you done much research, or are you just putting trades because the price moved in certain direction and you want to be part of the excitement? And have you read any books? There are a lot of good books that will give you a sufficient amount of knowledge. Last year I read about 50 books. Not all of them were of course about trading, but they all leveled up my knowledge. In addition, I spent most of my time super glued on the screen during my first year of trading. As Warren Buffett said, the risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. And the third factor is capital. Once you figured out where you stand at knowledge and experience, now let's talk money. In other words, what's your starting capital? If you want to start with $100, you will not make much money. Of course, you can take 1 to 500 leverage, which means every dollar you can trade with $500. Before projecting how much money you will be making, think about how much money can you lose. If your knowledge and experience falls under 1 year, chances of you making money is slim. I'm not telling you to make you feel bad, but that's a hard truth. Trading is not easy. That's why 90% traders lose money. When I put money on my trading account, that's the money I'm prepared to lose. And you should have the same mentality, or at least have the maximum loss you allow yourself. Now, the final factor which determines how much money you can make is the risk. How much of your capital are you willing to risk per trade? The bigger the risk, the more money you can make. However, let's not forget that bigger risk comes with big loss. When I first started trading, I was only risking 0.1% of my capital. The reason why I was risking such a small percentage is because I didn't know much about trading and my trader mindset was not developed yet. Some people take risk to the extreme, where they risk so much money without knowing what they are doing. The risk I'm talking here is gambling. No matter how high is your win rate strategy, eventually you will lose big. How much is your risk per trade? Leave a number in the comments below to share it with me and also with the other traders. Taking too much risk is one of the main reasons why traders lose money. Once you write down these 4 factors, then you can estimate how much money you can make. However, it will never be an exact amount. Market does not work that way. It will always gonna be an estimate. I advise any trader who has less than 1 year experience to purely focus on learning and developing trading psychology and not focusing on how much money they will be making. Thank you guys for watching. This was the 4 factors to determine how much money can you earn trading Forex. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm making live daily Forex analysis and weekly Forex analysis, as well as videos about the knowledge you need to be a better trader. Live daily Forex analysis starts at 8 AM UK time. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can reach me with my social media, which gonna be links in the description. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.